Good afternoon, everyone. Since on 9th, we have completed, we have started digital presentation and we have completed the introduction part. And in introduction part, we've just started, we just completed around word processing. And in word processing, the word processing is the computer application used for the production of printable materials. In the beginning, WordStar was the most widely used for the word processing software. There is a name WordStar which is mostly used in the beginning of word processing software. जब हामीले वर्ड प्रोसेसिङ पहिला युज गरेको थिएनौँ त्योभन्दा अगाडि वर्डस्टार भनेर सफ्टवेयर थियो। अहिले पहिला त्यो युज गर्छौँ र त्यसको बदलामा अहिले वर्डस्टार सफ्टवेयर आएको छ। र देयर आर सेभरल लिमिटेसन टु युजिङ द टाइपराइटर विच आर एज गिभन बिलो। पहिला टाइपराइटर युज गर्छौँ this kind. Now there is a several way of limitations to using the typewriter which are given below. Now number in case of any typing error, the whole sheet is required to type again. Typing error भयो नि एकैचोटी डल्लै टाइप गर्नु पर्यो. Number 1. Number 2, to send same letter to the day or more portions with different addresses require multiple typing efforts. This is the fact. If you want to send the 2 portions, you have to type the two pages. If you want to send the 10% same letter, we have to type the same letter 10 times. But nowadays the computer has been made us easy, because if we type the letter, we can print the number of same letter through the printers. Typewriter does not have all required character symbol. It is not possible to type all the character using the typewriter. Typewriter does not have all the required character symbol, whereas in computers there are all the character and symbol. It is not possible to type all the character using the typewriter. Number 4, it is not possible to product or document in the desired format using the typewriter. In the year 1974, Xerox company had introduced the electronic typewriter as an attempt to solve the problems of the manual typewriter to some extent. Here is a link. You can go through this link. In 1974, Xerox company has introduced the electronic typewriter as an attempt to solve the problems of manual typewriter to some extent. In electronic typewriter, it is possible to make changes in the content, make multiple copies with the minor changes. अन्त पहिला इलेक्ट्रोनिक थिएन, युजली हातले गर्नुपर्थ्यो. अहिले चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रोनिक टाइपराइटर आएर चाहिँ यसलाई इजी बनाउन लागि चाहिँ मल्टिपल कपिज विथ माइनर चेन्जेस, अलिकति चेन्ज गर्यो धेरैवटा कपिज, अलिकति चेन्ज गर्यो धेरै कपी. तर नर्मल टाइपराइटरमा हुन्छ विदाउट इलेक्ट्रोनिक टाइपराइटर नभएको चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ नि, त्यही लेटर चाहिँ घरिघरि हामीले टाइप गर्नुपर्छ. तर इलेक्ट्रोनिक टाइपराइटरमा चाहिँ त्यसलाई नै अलिकति चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो, जस्ट लाइक कम्प्युटर्स. But it is a limitation very size small to screen to display the content. Each screen can view only 1 or 2 sizes. In late 1970s, with the development of computer software technology, word processing software was introduced. Word processing software, computer technology ले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ word processing software introduce भएको. In this software, the document can be navigated. Documents हामीले navigate गर्न सक्छ, edit गर्न सक्छ, format गर्न सक्छ, त्यसलाई print पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. As we have done in school day by day. The modern word processing take advantage of GUI, graphic user interface. The full form of graphic user interface provides some forms of what you see is what you get in editing. What you see is what you get is a full form of WYSIWIG is a full form of what you see is what you get. This means the special effects on text are also visible on the screens. हामीले जस्तो लेखे त्यस्तै देख्छौँ. The word processing software not only provides basic ability to enter and modify the text, but also provides the efficient text manipulation function that has been used to the documentation. Word processing software not only provides basic ability to enter or modify the text, त्यसलाई टेक्स्टलाई मोडिफाई गर्नु एन्टर गर्नु मात्रै होइन तर त्यसलाई म्यानिपुलेट गर्नु पनि डकुमेन्टमा वर्ड प्रोसेसिङमा काम दिन्छ वर्ड प्रोसेसिङ modern word processor provides attractive features some of the features there are attractive features of word processing what are they भन्दाखेरि create edit and save retrieve and print the हामीले बनाउन सक्छ एडिट गर्न सक्छ त्यसलाई सेभ गर्न सक्छ कुनै फाइलमा कुनै फोल्डरमा रिट्रिभ त्यसलाई फेरि निकाल्न सक्छ त्यसलाई प्रिन्ट गर्न सक्छ नम्बर 2 मा नम्बर 1 मा नम्बर 2 मा select and move the text from one place to another into the document we can move the document from one place to another number 3 we can copy the documents text or documents to the within the document मै हामीले कपी गर्न सक्छ copy or move or copy or select it from one document to any document हामीले चेन्ज त्यसको राइटिङको फन्ट साइज फन्ट स्टाइल टेक्स्ट गर्न सकिन्छ प्याराग्राफ चेन्ज गर्न सकिन्छ ग्रामर चेक गर्न सकिन्छ वेरिस यो टाइपराइटरमा हुँदैन टेबल बनाउन सकिन्छ एउटा डकुमेन्टलाई कम्बाइन गर्न सकिन्छ पिक्चर्सहरु हाल्न सकिन्छ टेक्स्टहरु हामीले सेलेक्ट गर्न सकिन्छ वेरिस दिस आर नट पोसिबल इन युजर इन म्यानुअल टाइपराइटरमा हामीले यो कामहरु गर्न सकिँदैन word processing are being used in the business home and education that is in schools and college for the preparing letters reports and many others other different types of documents as you all know we in our school there is a lot of paperworks which we use in computers and these are used in education as well in education in schools as well as in college to prepare the letters reports and many other documents teachers are teachers use word processing for preparing question papers and notes as you all see there's a certain there you'll see the question papers prepared in your computers that is in a word processor or in Microsoft Word even we can make notes in what Microsoft Word or word processors Office Suite is a collection of programs there is called Office Suite Microsoft Office Suite which are useful for word processing spreadsheet preparation presentation and database management as you all see in mobile applications there is a in a Play Store there is a Office Suite app or Microsoft app there are several Office suites will be using Library Office because it's a several advantages we can use the Library Office in Library Office or Office suite we can see the word processing spreadsheet presentation and database management in spreadsheet we can calculate make a result list of items and salary sheet in presentation we can present the documents to the during in the seminars and conference in business and the database management we can even manage the data there are also several office suites which will be using like Library Office which have several advantages यो तिमीले कतिवटा फोनको एपतिर पनि हुन्छ अफिस सुट भनेर we can even use that app also there's a collection of word processing spreadsheet and database management now especially what is Library Office भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ Library Office is a free and open source software force fully Library Office productivity suites currently the version of Library Office 6.0 and above are available it is available free for downloading from websites you can see the websites you can download from this website this suite is available in many languages and runs on many platforms Windows Mac and Linux it uses open document format in file form for publishing documents we can even use ODF open document format त्यो हामीले युज गर्न सक्छ Library Office मा यसबाट हामीले गर्न सक्छ Library Office को version 6.0 छ र will continue from tomorrow okay आजको लागि यति नै
Gamla, mungkin